Halor kanong rimban wat banya ya kadaw jong jingkylla rong blue ka Wah Lukha ka badan East Giant Hills District kabaya jan Nagpur Shakapur haka arsantre kulaling kot arja arpway nakaliang idukot ka Environment Committee bakan top yo chairman SK Sun ubalong ru MLA ka Mauplang which shang pliang MLA ka Mausdram u coming one ambon MLA ka Shangpung but GS Sweat member jong ka committee kila Leit ban hiar jurep ya ka Wah Lukha haki atli gi jaka bakayat lingban haka benta jong kasnong sunapur bat kasnong brisher not bat kila ring doru da ka drone ban yo haka e ka benta ka kalarong blue haka ne ka jinglet hiar jurep ka Environment Committee lai don lang ru ki scientist napo ka Central but State Pollution Control Board nalor jong DC ka East Giant Hills District i Karmal ki ADC SS Siemli bat ki way Ningkong kila hiar na sunapur ka jaka ka bala ban yo i ka jingkylla rong blue jong ka wa bat nang ni pat ki select checkbration not ha ka jaka ka bala tip kum ka khat talang namar bahang ne sedang ka jinge tengku hap deng artli ki wa kata ka wa lunar bat ka Wah Lukha ki scientist ki bon hiar lang sha ka ni ka wa kila ong bagi lara teng ya ka na ka ni ka Wah Lukha par ha ka jing wat banyak kila syam baka jur bah ka acid da ko ba ar ba penloi ka wa ban kala blue kilap babun palat ka jingdan ka aluminium silicate hapok nakani ka daw andal shit ka sngi ka jing phalang jongi kijat sngi bawan hak ki pen kala rong blue ya kani ka halor ka ni HM sang pliang ulapan pau dia ka jing lunga bakum no ka wa pressure not ka jaga ha ka ba ka Wah Lukha bat wa lunar kia tengku ka stem ka basharum pat hasunapur ka kala rong blue ba HM sang pliang loang badai na kani ka daw la dawa bat IT hak state pollution control board bat ka Central Pollution Control Board baki day ban wat banya da ka bashim bat tong khndiat ya ka na borok ki arjaka kata Wah Lukha ka bawan na ka khadum bat ka wa lunar ya ka ni report kin submit ka committee khnang bakin so tho ban panchai yaw pai ba Shushu SK Sun loong ka kamram juga Pollution Control Board ka long ban pendap ya ka jingwat banya palada ka jab ka Environment Committee kam hun ya ka kaipot jong ka Central but State Pollution Control Board kila ban dawa da ka jing tohkit ka balat lu
So combined aluminum has an affinity for oxygen. So and also silica is mainly in the earth. Silica is also one of the main elements. So aluminum, silica and oxygen form aluminum silicate. This chemical formula is Al2SiO5. Okay. So that is this is aluminum silicate is the one that produces this bluish color. It's not a chemical reaction. Actually, it's just an optical illusion.
Like this one.
Because there's a scattering of light. The scattering of light is called Maya scattering. So Maya scattering. When this light is scattered, what produces this?
After it cannot dissolve anymore, then it turns blue.
But for this, further research is required. The report that we have published in 2017, this is what we have explained.
And what are the level of, what is the contents in the water? What are the ingredients or whatever?
A lot of iron is there.
A lot of iron.
Yes, in the water it's 9 to 13 milligrams per liter. But in this precipitate it's quite high. In precipitate it's between 300 to 600 milligrams per liter. In the precipitate, it's whitish precipitate.
I know.
You cannot see sometimes. It's difficult even to collect the precipitate. It's whitish form. And sometimes it's brownish and white. But the main scattering, the aluminum silicate is mainly in the whitish.
Like this.
Sir, really what happens is, this formation will be between 4.5 to 5 pH, okay? So what happens is, the water that comes from Umutha, no? It's alkaline. If it's alkaline, it will never form, this precipitate will not be formed.
Which one that come from?
From that side where limestone mining is there.
What's that name of the river?
Umutha. So here, when lunar, mainly this lunar is one of the main contributors to this Lukha.
I'm having a map here.
pH.
I'm having a map here. One is coming from here. This is called Luba, no?
Yes.
And one is coming from here. This is lunar.
Yes.
So it is only after the confluence that it started blue.
Yes.
And that star cement is right here.
Yes, but maybe this map is difficult to see now. So what happens is, actually what will happen is, suppose water at pH is suppose normal, like 7 suppose. So what will happen if water that comes from the lunar river is highly acidic, because if we have not visited, that's why before we mentioned, one of my scientists mentioned that we should visit lunar Bindiyati, because the pH there is 2.2 to 2.8. Even winter and summer is same, and it's just, you can see the color is just like turmeric color. The water is turmeric color, yellowish. It's highly acidic. That is the main contributory to this river.
Yes.
River.
Yes.
So what happens is, because when the water reaches, the pH is less, no, that's when this precipitate will form. When the pH is between 4.5 to 5. But from the water that comes from the cement factories, that side, and the limestone area, that is the water pH is 8.1, 8.2. So at 8.1, 8.2, this bluish color will never be formed. This precipitate will not be formed.
Now, can you tell me what is the pH value here?
The last 2 weeks back, it was 7.3, 7.38, 7.4.
This one.
Yes, last 2 weeks back.
7.3 fish can survive more.
Yes, fish can survive.
Now,
But what happened, this formation is from there. The formation of the precipitate will start from there, I think Padum. That side is where the precipitate formed. And this precipitate, this bluish,
You don't
this white precipitate will come down.
That means the problem is upstream.
Starts from, yes, starts from there.
The problem that we have, sir, is upstream. Where he said, what was the river? You said?
That is
Mardum, or
Khadum.
Khadum. I think we should go there and
No,
see
we'll
now.
go,
We know,
we'll go,
we
we'll
know
go.
what is the scenario here.
See like this.
We'll go.
So many rivers, but not this color. Nah. That is the difference. I've seen white curvy, so many river. Mean yellowish only, not blue like this. Why this only this Lukha is blue?
No, I only mentioned because there's a particular pH, okay, particular concentration of aluminium and silicate and oxygen that forms aluminum silicate. That it needs a kind of what word can you say? A combination where the combination of the pH and the combination of the chemicals, means the elements aluminum, silica, and oxygen will form this aluminum silicate and will form this whitish precipitate that reflect, they bring this optical illusion, it creates this blue color. So if those combinations are not there, they will not be created.
Yes. 5.9.
5.9 last week.
So, are the fish dying here in this river now?
No, 5.9, if there is no other problem, they may not die. But this much precipitate, I don't know the nature of the precipitate. But
You see, there was a paper I have with me. They say that because of lockdown, this river was normal. Because the star cement was not working. That's what I'm not talking. It's the paper was talking. They say that during the lockdown, the river quality was normal. It's only after the lockdown, they start working again in star cement, then the blue color changes again. So that is one of the reasons that we will asking these two to confirm exactly what was the reason. We have seen your report. I have your report. We have had so many meetings with that, but still we are not convinced. We are not convinced. Because if this is the case, it should happen everywhere. But why it's happening only in this particular case? If you know about it,
Yes, that is the problem, no?
that's the problem, yes.
We need to conduct more study.
Yes.
Further study.
Let's go there.
Yeah.
We'll go to the